In this question, a block of mass m is made to climb up an inclined plane with velocity v1 as shown in the diagram. So we have an inclined plane like this, which is inclined at an angle 60 degree, and there is a block of mass m which is moved up the inclined plane with a velocity v1. If the length of the incline is L, which is 2 root 3, so the length of the plane, length of the path is given as 2 root 3 meters. Find the velocity with which the block will move off the top of the incline. So we have to find this velocity v2. This block is moved velocity v1 and it will undergo retardation where due to various forces we will just study, and because of this the block will move off the top of the incline. It will go like this with a velocity, let us say v2. Now we know that the mg of the block will be in this direction, so it will have two components, one in this direction and one like this at an angle 60 degrees. So this will be equal to mg cos 60 and this component will be mg sin 60. This component mg sin 60 is in opposite direction, so it will add to the retardation of the block. Also we will have a force of friction which is continuously applied in this direction, so force of friction will also be there, which is given as mu n or mu mg. So the here the mu mg, the n is equal to mg cos 60 degree, so it will be mu mg cos 60 degree. So in the downward direction opposing the motion of the block, there are two forces, mu mg cos 60 because of friction and mg sin 60 because of the component of weight. And under this negative work the block has to cover this distance L. So we'll make work energy equation. So work energy equation from initial to final, let us say this is A and this is position B. So from A to B it will have some kinetic energy. Some kinetic energy will be half mv1 square. Then it is worked upon by a negative work which is mg sin 60 degree. So we can say minus the sine component of mg, work done by sine component of mg. So mg sin theta sin 60 is the force multiplied by the displacement. This will give us work done, so displacement is L. So this is the work done by the mg sin 60 degree minus work done by friction, which is minus mu mg cos 60. This is the force multiplied by the displacement. It will be the work done by the friction, and this will be equal to the final kinetic energy at point B. So this will be equal to half m v2 square. Now if we put the values and solve this, v1 is given as 10 meter per second. So we have okay, m is being cancelled throughout the equation, so we will have square minus g can be taken as 10, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into L is given as, where is L, 2 root 3 minus mu is 1 by root 3 into g 10 cos 60 is 1 by 2 multiplied by length again, which is 2 root 3 equals to half v2 square. Now if we solve this, then this will be equal to 50 minus this will be 30 minus this will be 10 equal to half v2 square. So from here v2 will be equal to root of, this will become 50 minus 40, 10, so 20, root of 20, so which will be equal to 2 root 5, and this will be your answer. So although this problem seems a bit complex, but by using work energy equation we can easily solve it by using our general equation.